We're live. Checking quality. Oh, we're live. Checking quality. Okay, this is actually not bad. Oh, and we're live. Sorry, you're going to have to turn your volume up because I can't talk very loudly today. Checking quality. Okay, this is actually not bad. Oh, and we're live. Sorry, you're going to have to turn your volume up because I can't talk very loudly today. Checking quality. Cool. No, you're lame. Thanks for spamming the chat. Nice. Spam. I love spam. I'm just going to ping a couple channels and see if I can get some more people in here, so hang tight. Big one. What's your hottest trading card item of the year? Stop posting videos of me on the internet. Illegal. I didn't give you my consent. Okay. Yeah, there is a... I can't stop it. It's just the broadcast delay. I turned the delay off in my streaming service, but it's really not making too big of a difference. But we will continue. All right, so we're about 5 minutes in, so I'm going to get started. Welcome. Anyone that's stopping in to watch this video so I don't have to talk into cyberspace in a vacuum. So as you can tell from the channel title, my name is Oscar, and today we're going to be reviewing more of like a survey of my existing sealed trading card collection. Big one, my question was, what was your hottest TCG item of the year? What's something that you purchased, you sold, or you purchased, you're holding on to it, and the value is just going so much higher than you expected? Or just anything that was your favorite. What's notable in your collection right now? Yeah, so if you're watching this channel, we're going to review my trading card collection. We're only going to focus on sealed product. What I plan to cover today is, well, let me take a step back here. What you can expect on this stream is that we're just going to be in and out of a spreadsheet and eBay or TCG Player. We're going to be looking at last sold history of all these items as they have been over the last week or so. We're going to be collecting data for the future. So this is really just me doing a survey of my own collection, which maybe you can learn from, or maybe I can learn from you. If you don't like how I'm doing it, leave a comment. I'm wearing a do-rag because it is cold in my house and my hair's a mess. And also, the point of all of this is just to stay active with a long-term project. I'm not going to call this an investment because I don't like that word anymore, especially when it has to do with toys, cardboard, and reselling things. So this is about staying active with a long-term project, kind of adding style to a collection and validation to collecting trading cards as a hobby overall. What we're not going to do today is look at any boxes. I'm not going to show anything on screen in my hands. I'm not going to rip any boxes. We're not going to take a look at any cards, and I'm not going to show off any singles. So if you're not into something like this, close the stream right now. This is not going to be fun for you. And this whole process is going to take me about 1.5 hours. My agenda is that we're going to go through my entire existing collection that I have in my spreadsheet. And we're going to check all the last solds for every single item in the spreadsheet. And then once I'm done with that, we're going to add new items to my collection ledger. So anything that's kind of sitting, you can't see it. I have a pile of boxes and stuff right next to my desk here. Anything there has not been processed. It hasn't been added to my spreadsheet, so I'm going to do that. And then at the end, we're going to take a minute to review highlights of whatever we noticed today, whatever we learned. Big One's favorite item is his Pokemon energy card. You know, it's in my basement, but I do have several graded Pokemon energy cards. I know how much you love them. And also, I know you do. I'm not getting out of my chair. I'm sorry. You're not going to see that card right now. I do have some graded cards next to me, but again, we're not going to be focusing on that. So with that said, I'm going to switch to the first screen. We're going to take a look at my spreadsheet to start us off, and then we're just going to go down down each line item one at a time and check the prices. So here we go. Here it is. So here's my spreadsheet. If you're not familiar with looking at something like this, I'm going to explain all the different things here. And if you want to learn more about how to make a spreadsheet on your own, there's nothing special that I'm doing here. But if you need a starting point, I'm happy to make some content on that as well. Just let me know, drop a comment. So per line item here, so this first column is the name of whatever I purchased. So you can see I have an Adventure Time box. I have an edition column here. I don't really use it. It's not as important because I don't have vintage items in my collection right now. Adventure Time is one of the greatest cartoons of all time, so you hush your mouth up. I have a column for the game or the brand of whatever this item is. So Weiss Wars, MetaZoo, Pokemon, Magic, anything like that. I have how many units or how many of each piece of whatever it is. So you can see I have 3 Adventure Time Weiss Wars boxes here. What was the price I spent per per item at the time, and how much did I spend total on it. So this one is actually some really quick math. It's the price here times the quantity. Queen and Rush are not bad. You have no taste in music. Please go watch some YouTube videos on classic rock bands and then come back to the classroom here and tell me what you learned. Thank you. Another column here, type. Again, I think I might just delete this. Maybe I made it for the future. I don't know. But there's everything in here is sealed, so I don't know why I left this column in here. And then all these other columns are historical last sold prices. I try to review my my collection every 3 months. As you can see here, I kind of missed one. I missed September. So we're just going to type in, let's see, December 2024. And we're just going to start that off there. Now, the other thing that I'm going to show you is how all of this information gets totaled up, because at the bottom of this sheet, I have a special section as well. I have a couple of very simple formulas going, just so I can get some information at a glance. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom now. Oh, the sheet's a lot bigger than I thought. Okay, so down here at the bottom, I have, whoops, oh my goodness, let's do that again. I have some summaries in place. These are just quick numbers for myself, so I don't have to go tally it up every time I want to go look at this sheet. We have my totals per brand. So in that, what did I call it? In that game column, so column C here. These are all the values that we can sort by. This is my total price that I paid for each item. A breakdown per game, and how much of my collection or my project, like I said, we're going to call it, not investment, my project, this incorporates. So you can see here, as of my last summary, Magic is the majority of my collection. MetaZoo and Pokemon take up the second place, and then we have some other smaller ones here. So Weiss Wars, Garbage Pail Kids is what this is, although I might throw that under another column, and then miscellaneous, which is not only trading cards, it's actually other things like sneakers, action figures, and some other fun things that I have. And then you can see here over on the right, totals per column as I add more information to my spreadsheet every 3 months. So as you can see, we have a gain percentage and we have a liquidation percentage. So if I were to get rid of my collection right now at a specified price, this is ideally what I would like to make on it. So it cost me 13,000 something to buy all this stuff. 13,000 buy all this stuff. It's estimated at this price right now. So there's my 39% gain on paper, not real. I haven't actually sold anything. And then if I wanted to get rid of it, this is what I would try to liquidate it for. So if anyone has any questions about that, let me know. And now we're going to move on to the main event, which is the whole process to go through here, one at a time, check the last sold price manually for each of these items. And then at the end, we're going to summarize it all into those columns at the bottom. Oh, all right, here we go. Adventure time. Let's switch screens, and we will begin. No, that's TCG Player. So we're going to jump between eBay and TCG Player most of the time. I start with eBay last solds because they tend to be the higher price. If I can't find certain items, then I'll jump to TCG Player and I'll see what the numbers look like over there. So here we go. Adventure time. Adventure time. Schwarz, because I can't spell. What gives me the right? What do you mean? I have plenty of right. What's going on? Let's refresh this page. Where is everything? Oh, there it is. What the heck is this? Let me try to spread this out. There we go. Adventure time. God gives me the right. Big one. God. And we're going to go to the sold. And there we go. December 27, December 27. Ooh, oh, that's not a box. 246.49. So we're just going to say 240. We're just going to say roll round down 246. No other boxes. These are all singles. Holy crap. No, okay. I thought that was an SP card for 40 bucks. That's actually not a bad price. 150 for bubblegum. Damn, these are nice. Let's check this out. Where's Schwarz? Box. Let's get more specific. 246. November. We're just going to say 246. So I'll type that on the other screen. You can't see it. And we're moving on. Next item, MetaZoo 2nd edition. Not looking forward to this one. It's probably like 20 bucks. No, but the bubblegum SP is like 150 for an SP card of a game that most people can't get right now is kind of a good price for a PSA 10. I don't watch The Office that much. So what do you think of that? MetaZoo CN2 blue sticker box. MetaU. Oh my goodness. So this is bad. $27 for the blue sticker box. That's the NFT boxes. So they cost more. I spent too much money on mine, and it will never recover, I guarantee you. 30 bucks. So I'll show you my shame now. We're going to go to the spreadsheet view, CN2 box. We'll type in 30 bucks. Wow, it's gone down. And let's go take a look at how much it cost me. Oh my goodness, $215 down to 30 bucks. What a loss. If there's a shame emoji, please put it in the comments because I deserve it. And I'm not even going to look at the CN2 box. So I'm going to say just 20 bucks and move on, cut my losses there. Okay, we'll move on. Kamigawa. So we'll go to Magic, switch back. Yeah, big oof. MTG, Kamigawa, Neon, SD. Fine. I'll drop it to 27. SD collector box. 180. 175. Selling this week. I am not. I rounded it down. I'll show you. I'll switch back. There it is. I dropped it to 27. You happy now? 175. Okay. Kamigawa collector boxes have not moved. Let's actually let's put that in our notes. Zoo worth poop. MetaZoo 2nd edition worth poop. Next. I could be Rudy. I wonder if Rudy ever will get to see one of these videos. I would be humbled. All right, next item. Secret layer, read the fine print, foil etched. So another magic item. Can I zoom out a little bit? Yeah, looks a little better. Oof, 25 bucks. Secret layer, read the fine print. Oh, hasn't even sold since November. Wow. Maybe I will. We'll see how satisfied I feel by the time I'm done here. I do like Rudy a lot. Yeah. We're just gonna say 20. Yeah, we're gonna say 25 bucks because these haven't sold since November, which is bad. And that actually went down a lot. The fine print, as you can see in my spreadsheet, was $55 back in June for foil etched. So I don't like that one bit. Next item, another secret layer, Mirrored Insanity foil. $50 sold this month. A couple times this month. That's less than 50. 85. Wow, this is pretty wild. Oh, to the United Kingdom. Well, someone got hosed. $50. Yep, we're just going to say 50, which is $5 less than it was in June. And the next item will be Stranger Things secret layer. This was doing pretty well, but I spoke too soon. I have a foil one. $119, December 25th. Doing good. We're up 20 bucks. This is doing 105, 100 back in June. December 71. I don't know if this is an outlier. 120 sealed. That was this month. And then earlier in the month, it was 110. And then 95. I guess it's going up. We're going to put 110. So show a little bit of growth. Evolving Skies, Pokemon. First Pokemon item of the spreadsheet. Curious to know what this is at. This is not even remotely close. Oh. Did I spell it wrong? Let's type it in again. Booster box. Wow. Where the hell is everything? 379. We'll say 380 because it's pretty close. Wow, someone's buying up all the Evolving Skies on eBay. So Evolving Skies 380. It's about what it was back in June, so it hasn't moved really at all. It's gone slightly down. We'll jump back to the spreadsheet here. So it was creeping up. So September of last year, it peaked at 280. Oh, okay. We just look at a year ago. Let's try that again. Yeah, this is not good. Not good. Not good. Oof, everything's trending down so far. Not looking forward to seeing the summary at the end of this. So Stranger Things went up and Evolving Skies went up. So you know what? It's fine. And then we'll do the EVV Max boxes. EVV Max Premium collection. I don't have these broken out per item, so I've kind of just lumped them all together. So there's a bundle right there, 275, and we'll do some calculator work. Divided by 3, 275 divided by 3, 91. It's $91. That has gone up. The Pokemon, the EV VMAX boxes a year ago were $60, and now they're $91. So that's a win. Oof, MetaZoo again. CN2 Spellbook. I'm going to say $5 if I'm lucky. A bundle. MetaZoo. $13. $20. Who the hell is buying this for $20? Oh, that's June, though. It's June. It's out of date. Spellbook. Kickstarter Spellbook. 500. Wow. Not worth it. First edition, $50. First edition. Second edition. Wow. $13. You can get a second edition booster box for like $20 right now. People want a spellbook for $13. I don't understand. 20. The only real difference is there's a promo, which kind of looks like this, and some sleeves, which are really bad quality. So that makes no sense to me, but that's June. That's why that makes sense. December. Yeah. Okay. $14. $14. Second edition spellbook, CN2, $14. And a year ago, that was $10. So the spellbooks, for some reason, have gone up. Not that I have much information. You know, let's double check here. TCG player. MetaZoo. Spellbook. I'm going to round up. I am going to reserve the right to round up if it's above 60 cents. How about that? Kickstarter Spellbook. Wow, it's expensive. First edition Spellbook. Can I filter this? Encrypted second edition. $6.50. And people are paying $6.50. Okay, so that makes more sense. So we're just gonna put this at $6. No, we're gonna say $6.50. $25. Yep, to the UK. What else? Should I go back? Read the fine print. I'm gonna check that again because there wasn't much information on eBay. Read the fine print. Secret layer, foil etched. $42. That's better. That's better. So I'm going to update the spreadsheet because I like that number. And they sold this month. Read the fine print, 41, which has still gone down from December. Okay. Adventures in the Forgotten Realms. I think this one's doing okay. I think it's like 125 is my guess. So we're just gonna check TCG Player because it seems to have the most information right now. The Forgotten Realms. think I spelled that wrong. Collector booster. That is not doing good. 104. I'm going to say 105. We'll round up. A year ago, this was selling for 115. So not a big difference, but it went down. Secret Lair, Mischief. This is lost in my basement. I have a couple of these. I don't know where they went. I didn't even know they had red boxes. That's really cool. $55 selling this month. Has gone down. Oh, no, 56. Rounding up. So that's gone down $10. So selling for $10 more last December. Heads I win, tails you lose. Sold 280. How do you go from 230 to 280? Who the hell's spending that? Unopened, unopened. Yeah. Strange. Oh, unless people don't trust some of these sellers here. We're going to say 230 because that has the most. Let's check some more. 250. I think 230 is the safest number to pick here. $230, which has gone up. So, yeah, a year ago this was selling for $170. So now it's at $230. So that's a win. Pixel Snowlands. How about unopened? What do I have? I have two here. So I have foil etched and foil. That's the wrong one. Foil selling $32. It's about the same as last year. And etched $56, which is more than last year. Last year, Pixel Snowlands was selling for $42, and this year it's selling for $56. So that's another win. Completely, utterly, totally lost. So we just have a patch of secret layers to go through right now. So we're just going to stay on TCG Player for it. Totally lost. Mine is not foil. Selling for $29. And that is not a win. So last year it was selling for $34, and now it's selling for $29. Neon Dynasty, Neon Ink Secret Lair. That is the foil one we don't want. There might just be one. Yeah, I think there's only one anyway. Neon Ink, $30, $36. I'm going to pick this one because there's more sales at $36. Yep, 36. Which is kind of the same as last year. It dipped a little bit. Last year was selling for 43. Chibi Planeswalkers. Oh, there's a WPN Planeswalker box. I didn't know about that. Chibi Planeswalker. What is that even called? Lil Walkers. Lil. I don't want the playmat. It's not even what I searched for. Let's do this. Back to eBay. Lil Walkers. Foil. I do not have foil. I have non-foil. That is a single. $50. I'll take it. $50, and that's a win because it was selling for $40 last year. So Chibi Walkers going up. I would do Secret Lair, Street Fighter. Redemption Code. Foil edition. I don't know if there was a difference. I don't think there was. Let's fact check that. Secret Lair. Street Fighter. Yeah, I don't think there was a choice of foil and non-foil. Excuse me. So what do we say? $60. December. Redemption Code. $70. Let's check. Street Fighter. Oh wait, there is a choice. $49. That is a drop. It was selling for $60 a year ago. We got some others. We just got a ton of secret layers here. Okay. Yuko Shimizu. Non-foil. Nobody's buying this. 16. Loss. It was 28 a year ago. Kaito Shizuki. That is the foil one. I did not get foil. Oh, that's selling. 28. We'll say 28. That is a win. It was, well, not really. That was 25 a year ago. Hasn't really moved. Pictures of the floating worlds. Let's see how fast I can get through this. Uh, 18. Say 18. Oh, no, there's more 19s in there. No, we're going to say 18 is safe. We'll just say 18. That is a loss. It was selling for $35 a year ago. Pictures of the floating world secret layer. Shades not included. I unfortunately messed up and did not get the foil version of this. 37. 37. That's the same. It was 37 a year ago. It's still 37 now, so it hasn't moved. As Rudy says, we want stable, although stable is not exciting, therefore it make me sad. Oh, Nightfall booster box. Oh, I missed one here. Wait a minute. Kamigawa the manga. Again, not foil. $29. Staying the same. It's not moved. All right, now MetaZoo. Back to MetaZoo Nightfall booster box. These have come down quite a bit. You could get them for like $60 now, maybe less. $60, just like I said. 55, 60, 55. We're going to say 60 because it makes me feel better. Big loss. A year ago, this was selling for $120. So I guess this would be the time to buy that. So we're going to put it in the notes. Nightfall boost BB. $60. 50% less. So anyone that watches this that likes MetaZoo, Nightfall's probably the coolest set they ever released. Still has some old scratches out there for anyone hunting the secret rares. Before they started printing these boxes into oblivion, so it's Nightfall buying season for MetaZoo. Nightfall deck set. $30. $21. Ah, this is all over the place. Oh no, that's a bigger bundle. 55. That's August. These are not selling. $30. We're gonna go with $30. That's a loss. The Nightfall decks were selling for 46 a year ago, and now they're selling for 30. Not selling very frequently, but they are selling lower. And then a Nightfall release box. $10. December 60. Oh no, there's more. It's got a. Okay, I got it. $10. We're gonna say $10. That is also 50% off from last year. Last year, the release boxes were selling for $20. Now it's 10. I have another line item here for the EVV Max boxes, so it's possible that I bought more at a different price. I'm just going to switch to the spreadsheet now. So this is my second VMAX line item. I'm assuming that the price I paid is different. That's why I put another one in there. So what do we say? This was 91. So we're just going to type in 91. And moving on. Marnie Tournament Premium Box. This one's kind of been all over the place over the last year. So let's take a look. Pokemon Marnie Tournament Box. $62, $60, $240 for 5, $63, Ugh, 33 shipping from the United Kingdom. Also all over the place still. We're going to say 62. Marnie boxes selling for 62. It's come down. A year ago, it was selling for 70. Pokemon UPC celebrations. Pokemon celebrations UPC. 402, but that's Australian. 328. That's not helpful. 370. 460. Oh, that's a lot. 370. 365. 330. Kind of all over the place. We're going to say 330. That has gone up a little bit. A year ago, it was selling for 300 around this time. Oh, see, comments. Big one says NF boxes are $40 in Facebook groups. I believe you, and that makes me sad because it's, again, the coolest MetaZoo set. I bought 10 a few weeks ago for 40. Damn. Yeah, I got to get on that. I have not been adding to my sealed collection very much over the last few months. I've been buying other things, which we will not talk about on this stream because it's not related. But yeah, this is definitely MetaZoo Nightfall buying season. Especially since they actually had two marketing campaigns going on, both on Halloween's over the last couple of years, where they were trying to get people to rip as many Nightfall boxes as possible. So I want to say that Nightfall was not overprinted and was super ripped during release, super ripped on the following Halloween, and super ripped on the Halloween preceding that. So I really like Nightfall. So if MetaZoo ever does come back into the spotlight, primed to go up very quickly. There will not be many Nightfall boxes out there 10 years from now. Next on the spreadsheet, I have two Pokemon items, the Lugia and the Ho-Oh Legendary Trainer boxes from Costco. Let's take a look. $60 for Lugia, $65 Ho-Oh. When these released, Lugia was more popular. Bundle 134, bundle 200. These have been going back up. These used to be 90. So when they retailed, they were like $30, and then for the first month they were out, they were up to $90, and it looks like it's kind of going that way again now. They have Celestial Storm packs in them. I want to say that's a Pokemon set. Pokemon's. Yep. Yeah, this set right here. Those packs are in the Lugia boxes. The Lugia and Ho trainer boxes from Costco. So what do we want to settle on here? December 30, $60, $65. Buying solo, but a couple people paid more than that. This is over $70 a box. This is just under. Oh, we're going to say 65. We'll say 65. And that's a win because this time, a year ago, it was selling for $48 a box. We're going to say Lugia 60 and Ho-Oh 65 because that's what it looked like. So both were selling. Whoops, 65, 60. Yeah, so that's weird. It's shifted. Lugia is now the lesser expensive of the two, only by a little bit. Now we're going to move on to the Pokemon error blisters that they gave out back when Chilling Reign released, because Chilling Reign was a shit show. Pokemon Blister. There it is. Chilling Reign Error Pack with the bundle box. Mine are separate. The $18. 15, 19. We're say 15. No, we're gonna say 18. I feel good about it. And that's what it was. 18 has not moved. The Error Chilling Reign blisters are still selling for $18, which is what they were at a year ago. Tapu blisters. We can take a look at McNuggets. I was looking at those today. I don't know. It's kind of hard to say if those error blisters are going to go up. I think eventually they will, because they are error cards, technically. But so far, the data is I'll show my spreadsheet. So far, the data is showing that the error blisters have not really gone up. Yeah, so 18, this is where they were a year ago. And they just kind of been sitting at this price since June of 2022. They kind of went down. Now they're back up. Let's take a look at the nugget cases. So the golden nugget from McDonald's is selling for like 50, 60 bucks right now solo. Some of the nuggets you can get for like 10 bucks, 5 bucks. But I was looking at this. Let's do, whoops. McDonald's 2023 McNugget case. So, this is a box of 150 McNuggets. You can get them from McDonald's right now. This is entirely unsponsored. I'm just really into these nuggets right now, and so is somebody else in this chat. So let's do some quick math here. 638 divided by 150. So these people are getting 150 nuggets for about $4.25 a nugget, which is not bad, because if you go buy a Big Mac meal right now with the Kerwin Frost box, it costs you like $14.22, depending on where you're located, and it's like $4 for a nugget, so not a bad trade-off. You're a McTurd. One of them sold for like $1,000 on release week. Yeah, see, 750. Oh, this guy got a deal, 450, 780. Oh, these are all over the place. And the nugget in question is this bad boy. I do not know what the pull rate is because they're blind boxes. If somebody did film a case break of these things, please let me know. I would like to know how many boxes in a case have the golden nugget. Is it 1? Is it 5? Is it 1 per 10? Let's find out. Somebody do it, please. Okay, going back to the spreadsheet. Pokemon Evolutions Tapu Pin. Evolutions from the Sun and Moon era, I believe. This one, 37. This one's ripped. 40, back in November. What do they call this one? Tapu Lele Pin Collection. I'll check that in a second. This one, 5, a lot of 5 for 133. Let's do 133 divided by 5. $26. There's a 40. That's November, though. December. All right, we're gonna say 26. That's gone down. The Tapu pin blisters were $30 a year ago. Hidden Fates tin. Oh no, you said a Hidden Fates Pokemon. Hidden Fates pin display case. Was it Hidden Fates or Shining Fates? Because I see the Shining Fates one here. Big ones. Big one collectible. Yep. So, yeah, not many selling. October 30, it was selling for 90. Let's try this. Shining. Whoops. Shining. I spelled that wrong. Yeah, not many sold. How much is it? Please teach us. You have the Hidden Fates insider info. I want to know. All right, I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break for a bio. I'm going to BRB. Oh, need to cover this here. Let's do this. BRB. No, it's not. All right, I'm back. I don't believe you. The pin boxes, like I'm looking at it right now, it sold for like 150. How to go from 150 to 1,000? I mean, good for you if you can get that price, but I'm calling shenanigans. All right. Oh, you're right. No, I typed that in though. Hidden Fates. Oh. 600. Senpai. 600 hit for the Hidden Fates case. This one's cracked. This one fresh. But fine. Fine, it checks out. Let's jump back to the spreadsheet. Where are we at? This is taking a long time, so I want to blow through as much of this as possible. So I'm going to cut down the dialogue. We've been doing this for about an hour. So let's go. Hidden Fates 10. Just going to look at it from December. All right, so this column here is December. Tin, not specifying which tin we're talking about. 60 for the Zard. 54. Raichu. Not a big difference. We're going to say 55. 55, and it hasn't moved up. Evolutions, Pokemon Evolutions 10. Evolutions 10. This is Eevee Evolutions. Oh no. No, that. 45. Can I find another one? There's no. Oh, it's empty. One of each 80. All right, we're going to go with 45. Kind of went up a little bit. It was 40 bucks a year ago. Yeah, I know, but like it's like 20%, but like it's like it can fluctuate like $5 with a sale, $10 with a sale sometimes if somebody's lucky. $5 is like a reasonable fluctuation. Vivid Voltage Booster Box. I am scared because I overpaid to help out a store that was closing when I bought mine. $140. Not good. 140 a year ago was 170. Shenanigans. Yep, 140. Let's check TCG. Vivid Voltage Booster Box. Oh, 133. That's worse. Oh no, 125. Vivid Voltage going down. 6 month, 1 year. Oof. Alright, 125 it is. Maybe Rudy's right. He's right to bitch about Pokemon. Orbeetle V. No, double and Orbeetle boxes. I'm not confident about these. Pokemon. Although I did see them selling for $45 on a shelf in a store the other day. Dub wool V box. 35. 35 is the number. Oh, there's a 50. We'll say 35. It was 32 a year ago, so no change. Or Beetle, probably cheaper. Or Beetle. $35. Yep. 30. $25. No, I don't like that. We're gonna say 30. So actually that went up. The Orbital V's were $25 a year ago. Burning Shadows deck case. $160. Yes, I do have a case of pre-made decks. November, December, 160. They went up. These were 140 a year ago, and they were trending down. Next one, Crimson Invasion Booster Box. That is not a booster box. $194, $183. These were $90 when I got them. We're gonna say $185. Kind of went down. They were $190 a year ago. They were $210 in the summer. Hidden Fates, ETB. $150. These are not really going anywhere. Oh no. Nope. $130. $150. $160. What else we got? $69. Giggity. $155. We're gonna say $155, which has actually gone up. They were $130 a year ago. Shining Fates ETB. $43. $45. Nope. $49. These are bundles. People are being smart, and that's ruining my data. $140. We're gonna say 40, which is about the same. No, it was 31 a year ago. Now it's 40. Vivid Voltage ETB. $25. Not good. What's 85 divided by 3? 85 divided by 3. 28. 38. All over the place. 38. Let's see, can we find another one? 43. We're going to say 38. And that's the same as last year. Battle styles. I don't want to know. $36. I did not specify color with battle styles. 36 twice. Oof, that is a bundle sale. That is, yeah, it's about the same. All right, 38. So those battle styles actually have come up a little bit. They were 32 a year ago, but overall they've kind of just stayed the same. Celebrations. These ones I'm excited for. Celebrations ETB. These were carrying my collection back in the summer. $70. Oh, 55. All over the place. Oh, no, it's a Pokemon one. I don't have the Pokemon Center one. $70 again. $231. Somebody's embezzling money here. 63. 88. 80. Let's say 70. Oh, it's gone down. It was 80 a year ago. Couple of celebrations boxes, Pokemon celebrations, special collection. So this is actually kind of confusing because there's two boxes that are kind of called the special collection. Both of them feature Pikachu V-Union cards, but one of them has a playmat in it, and the other one doesn't. So I don't know. 57, 42. This one. This one does not have the playmat, I believe. $35. It's about $35 last year too. $39. This one's hard. I'm going to say 35. Up 35 last year as well. And then we're going to do Celebrations Matte Box. That's what it's called. What people call it. $21. No. No. 40. So these are the thick ones. 50. We'll say 50. I don't have the VMAX Pikachu box, unfortunately, but let's take a look. Box. The VMAX boxes are 58, 59. $100. So still going strong, but you know. All right, back to the secret layers. Secret layer, Walking Dead. So this was the start of my sealed collection beyond Pokemon, and I wanted to prove a point to someone, so I bought it at an inflated price of $85, and it just has never recovered. So the Walking Dead box, still $70. So I'm still kind of in the red. Let's see, how much did I pay? I paid $80. I will never get my money back on that box. And I think they reprinted Rick into another art variant, so you don't have to buy the Walking Dead box to get Rick anymore, which sucks. Yep, $70. $70 last year, $70 this year for the Walking Dead Secret Lair. Oh my god, back to MetaZoo. MetaZoo Wilderness. MetaZoo Wilderness Orlando. Let's see if someone has this specified. I bought the Wilderness box for an inflated price in Orlando because it was going to give me a promo card, which came damaged, by the way, so I didn't even get my money's worth for the promo card, which is supposed to be free. Let's see, booster box. Yep, not worth it. 6 boxes for $150. That's the MSRP price. Oh man. $52. $28. Ugh. Wilderness 1 year ago was selling for $60 a box, and now it's selling for 28. So again, half off. If you want MetaZoo, now is the time to buy. Let's see, MetaZoo Tops Wilderness. These might be a little different. No, okay. $50. Nope, 3-box lot, $50. Set of 3, 40. That's sad. $15. It was $20 a year ago. 14. We're just gonna say 14. Oof. Magic Cast. These ones usually go pretty strong. Magic Cast box. That is not Magic Cast. 29. That's not good. Wow, Magic Cast, $15. MetaZoo is not doing good. That's from November. We're going to go with 30. We're going to go with 30. These were 55 a year ago. Wait, let's check TCG Player. Magic Cast. Nobody's buying this. Oof. Big oof. Baldur's Gate pre-release boxes. MTG Baldur's Gate pre-release. I have a case. There's 15 in a case. We're going to divide 200 by 15. Oof, $13. These were $20 a year ago. Garbage Pail Kids Chrome 2021 Series 4. GPK Chrome 2021 Series 4. That's not the box I have. That's hobby boxes. 4 box. That's the box I have. 55. Wow, this is going back up. You know, I had a guy harassing me on Facebook Marketplace once because he didn't like the price I had listed. But he's just a reseller like me. You know, somebody that walks into their local Target, buys the shelf for like $20 and tries to sell them for 80, which is what I do. And he just didn't like my price, and he tried to shame me for it. So I don't approve of reseller bullying. You can all go screw yourselves. 55. That's 2. We're going to say 55. I think 55's a safe price. And that is a win because they were $40 a year ago. And it's an overall win because they were $20 off the shelf. GPK, Bookworms. Mega. Lot of 3. 90 divided by 3. That's 30. What am I saying? It's $30. $30 flat. It has been $30 since December of last year. Pokemon Go Japanese booster boxes. I got a bunch of those. Have these gone up? 44, 41 with the promo packs. I want some promo packs. 45. I think 45 is safe. Oh, man. 73. What's the difference here? 73, 74. Oh, this says promo packs. $70. I bought them for 50. These are all over the place. We're going to say 60. Which is what they... Oh, nope. They were 50 a year ago. But we're just going to put it at 60 because those prices are all over, and that's a nice middle ground. Back to Secret Lair. Showcase Dominaria United. $39, $36, $38. We're going to say 37. Oh, no. Those were 65 a year ago. Wait a minute. Stained glass. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. Oh, well. A loss. Secret Lair, Niles Ham. Contagion. Oh, this is the one. This is not foil. 47. Say 47 is safe. 47, that's good. These were $30 a year ago. So we got a small win. Imaginary Friends, Secret Lair. $35, $34. Small win. They were 30 a year ago, which is about the same, so it's kind of flat. They were 55 back in the summer. MetaZoo Seance, probably $30. This was one of MetaZoo's many fuck-ups. These boxes were actually mapped. So what you could do... Let's find one real quick. 89 from the United Kingdom. 72. Wow. These are actually holding up. Makes no sense. All right. So, MetaZoo Seance boxes. On release, somebody discovered that you can predict the layering in the box of full foils versus reverse foils, or full hollows versus reverse hollows. So, all you had to do was open the first 2 layers of packs in the box, and that was the continuing pattern of foils for the rest of the box layers as well. So if you had like full arts in the first or full arts in the second, you would also be able to predict that the 3rd layer and the 6th layer were reverse hollows. Terrible. I can't even believe these are still going strong. So 37, 56, 64. These were, they're going up. I don't know why. We're just going to say 65. To be safe. It's for the data. They were 77 a year ago. So that's another thing we're going to put on the notepad here. So 65 to 90 per box. Something I wasn't expecting to see. So it's notable. It goes on the notepad. Seance blister pack. I'm curious. Oh, we don't need to look at that. Wonder why. That is not the... Yeah, this one. Set of 4 for $4. $1? Damn. Wow. I wonder if somebody was boosting last sold prices to make Seance look better. I don't know. We're going to say these are $2, which was $5 a year ago. So the single blister packs were $2, are $2. They were $5 a year ago. Seance Spellbook. What's this? New message. Oh, can't look at that right now. Got to get through this. Oh my God, we're hitting that 1.5 hour mark. I'm not even done with this part of the. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to add to my ledger again before I close the stream. So appreciate those who are watching and who will be watching the recording. Because this is cool information. Not everybody wants to go check all this stuff on their own anyway. So think of this as a snapshot of last sold information. 16.50. We're going to call it $16. Seance was, spellbooks were $35 a year ago. And then the Seance release box to close this one out. That's okay. You are my one viewer, and I appreciate you. $3.25, $5. We're gonna call it $5. $10 a year ago. So Seance was $10 a year ago. AFR Collector, I got it from Amazon. What do we say? 108, right? 110. It's 110. Let's go back up here. AFR 105. 105. Friend. Alpha investment boxes have actually been creeping back up to the 600 range. Friend. I can't do it right now. Yeah, so actually, in June, they had cracked 600, which was back in the green, amazingly. And Rudy is a hot topic right now because of his last video that he deleted. So let's take a look. 69, 6.9. 505. It's a sealed box. How can that be a sealed box? Oh, plus extras. Yeah, that must be, he must be selling off the last one. Open. Sealed 574. Wow. Cheap. Big one. If you've been buying all these Rudy medals, I want to say this was probably you. We're going to say 550 for the sealed box. No, this November. Try this again. 505. 574. This is back in November. Nobody's buying. There's definitely people buying this. Hold on. Oh, then that means you have some competition. Somebody else is buying out all the Rudy medals. It's not me. Yeah, but they're like $20, $30. Graded. All right, we're just going to say this is 505, which is about what it was a year ago. The Rudy boxes were reselling for $500 a year ago, and now it's down to 505. But I'm going to go on record here on recording that it was 650 in the summer and 625 in the spring. And I'm going to show you my spreadsheet to prove it. So here we go. Alpha Investments, December of last year was 500. It's 505 this year. But maybe Rudy products are seasonal. Maybe there's a trend here. We'll never know. Also, because I missed my September survey, so I'm missing an entire quarter of data. Weiss Wars, Ruby Booster Box. Is it 5K? Not every one of those, the 6.9 boxes had a Rudy medal in it, which is why I decided not to open up the rest of mine, because I was afraid of, because I wasn't the first batch. I was afraid that I was going to not pull one. $50, Ruby, Weiss Wars, 62. That's November. Case. I have a case. Ooh. November. Damn. RWBY. Wish Wars. Booster box. It's 59 bucks. So it's gone up by 10 bucks or 9 bucks. It was 50 a year ago. Oh, I'm showing the spreadsheet. Yeah, I know the Rudy Claus wasn't in everyone, but the metal wasn't in everyone either. Like I could show you, I have a bunch of box opening videos on a playlist. I can send it to you if you want to see them later. Not all the boxes had Rudy Nice medals. They were replaced with like playmat vouchers. Which is also why I don't think he sealed all those boxes like he said in all his videos leading up to the sale. I'm pretty sure he ran out of stuff and they were packing it up till that date, and that's why they delayed it. Not because of the weather. I'm pretty sure it's because they just like ran out of stuff to put in the boxes. Oh, this is my first alternative item. So this is not a trading card. These are my Adidas Yeezy 700 Monvin analogs. Let's see. Back to this Yeezy 700 MVMN. No, MNVN analog. Well, I don't know where they come up with these names. I don't know what they mean. Mine are 10.5, 150. Oh, they went up. Laceless. Yeah, the shoe is laceless. That's why I got it. This was like the first, the last Yeezy that was sold by Adidas after Kanye was exposed with his anti-Semitic remarks. Yeah, I have a 10.5. Yeah, if I had a 9, it'd be selling for a lot more. It cost me like 120. Let me check. Nope, it cost me 223. So this went down. 230, 220, 230. Yeah, this sucks. I don't understand shoes. I was trying something new. And a year ago, these were selling for 235. Oh, man. 120. Less than 120. I'm going to put 150. No, sir. Don't get into shoes. I don't understand them. If you know shoes, fine. If you're trying to get into shoes, I can't help you. Buyer beware. Some more alternative buys. Ugh, we are almost done here. Still got a lot more to go, but now we're gonna take a look at some action figures. Mezco Toys Black Skull 99. I don't think that's good. Oh, these are not selling. Black Skulls. 112. 99. December. I don't have the brokers. The brokers are the cool ones. I have the regular Black Skulls. So 99, and they're not selling that well. They were 90 a year ago, so $9 change. Nightfall. We said Nightfall was what? 60? Mezco Toy Krieg 13. Eradicator. That is not the one I have. Krieg 13. I still don't think that's the one I have. This one, 125. Oh, I have the San Diego Comic-Con one. So 125. All right, it's gone up a little bit. These were 100 a year ago. Secret Lair, Here Be Dragons. $180. 200. 190. Sleeves. We're going to say 190. That's the middle ground. Oh, they went down. It was 215 a year ago. Here Be Dragon Secret Lair has dropped in price. Back to MetaZoo, WPT, the World Poker Tournament. These have gone down. WPT box, 25. Nobody's buying. $25. 25. They've gone down. They were $30 a year ago. Not that much change, but still doesn't feel good. Hero Quest CD. These were expensive. MetaZoo Hero Quest CD. Unopened, please. $20. It only cost me $5, I think, for it. So it's still a win. Oh, these were $40 a year ago. 50% off. All MetaZoo. 50% off right now. Wow. The only exciting things on my notepad this quarter, this month, is MetaZoo stuff. But real data, so we don't just have to rely on Rudy. We do our own research here. That's what this whole video is about. Magic, Pride Across the Multiverse. I got a bunch of these. Foil 54. Regular 51. 50. All right. Not bad. Bearscape, $30. Bearscape. December, 35. Let's see. Non-foil, $50. Yep. They went up. And let's check foil. $54. Pretty cool. All right. 55 for the non-foil. So Pride Across the Multiverse last year was $42, so that went up. The foil has gone down from 60 to 51. It is currently selling for $51 a box. Another alternative. Let's see. MTG nickel bolus pin. What do we call die cut pin? Nickel bolus pin. It's not on here. I'll have to find it later, I guess. Nickel bolus. Come on now. Nickel bolus pin. I bought these from a store that was going out of business. $12. There it is. Lapel pin is what it's called. Still not showing up. Did I spell his name wrong? Bolus. Dragon bolus. Up, Amazon. Unavailable. Nickel bolus. $12.95, $13. I got these for $8. They're selling for $13. It's pretty cool, and it's something that I can just include, like in an eBay sale as like a freebie. They cost me like $3 when I got them. Metazoo art contest packs. I'm getting pretty tired of doing this. This is just taking so long. I should just pre-save all my searches into like another column here so I don't have to go search this manually next time. Art contest packs. No, this is the 2022 ones. These are not the right ones. $2021. $25. Gone down by $10. They were $34 last year. $9. Metazoo. CN. Revive. Box. I never opened my box. They were too expensive. December 315, a little less than 315. Can I find a better one? 250. They kind of went down. Still expensive. They were 300 a year ago. They're a Revive Cryptid Nation box. CN2 blister pack. I don't know. $2. CN2 is in shambles, so we're just gonna cut our losses, call it $2, and move on. MTG 40K boxes. I have a bunch of these. Tyrannid. 54. They were 60 a year ago. Chaos. Let's see. Chaos. $88, but that's to the UK. Let's find another one. 32. Oof. 43. This is October. Deck. 45. There's no way. These haven't sold since October. Call it Ruinous Order. Ruinous. There we go. 40, 44, 45. Call it 45. Down was $60 a year ago. Space Marines. Where is the deck? Okay. What was it? That's called Forces. $50. Back down to MSRP. So down, it was again 60. And the Necrons, the pièce de résistance. 40 Necrons deck. 75. Fantastic. Almost done. Just take a look at the spreadsheet. Yeah, so I'm not going to add the new stuff to this sheet today. I'll do that privately on my own tomorrow. You don't have to sit through. Nobody has to sit through that. And then we'll update the formulas at the bottom so we get all the summaries, and then we'll call it a night. Just going to take a look at my phone real quick. 120. No, I will not take 120. Commander Legends. What the hell is that? Commander Legends Arm for Battle? Oh. That was a random deck I found at Walmart. $20. Not great. This was $30 a year ago. Commander Legends deck is not doing well. And then we got a Pokemon one. Pokemon, I think these have gone up. Pokemon are box 34, kind of gone up, not that much. 44 for the UK. Damn, I gotta figure out a way to only sell the UK so I get top dollar for everything. V-Figure box. Yeah, I love these boxes. Switch back to eBay. These are great boxes. No, they are not worth 25. You cannot get these on the shelf anymore. $40, 43. That's more like it. 38. We're gonna say 40. 40 is healthy. Those were 32 a year ago, so they've gone up. They've either stayed the same or they've gone up. Wilderness Booster Box, we saw that was poopy. We'll say $30. War of the Spark. Uncut sheet. This is an alternative thing I bought. MTG War of the Spark. Uncut sheet. No. 122. Well, if anyone's looking for uncut sheets of Magic, the War of the Spark ones have gone down quite a bit. Actually, they're kind of all over the place. We've got 120, 122. The 25th, it sold for $359. I wonder why. 300. What's the difference? Just people selling stuff to get rid of it? I don't understand. Rare, uncut, mythic and rare foil sheet. Mythic and rare foil sheet. Uncut foil sheet. I don't know. This is all December, $100. Oh, 115. We're just gonna say 250, which is what I paid for it. So this sheet is really not going anywhere. UFO, I don't want to know. We're just gonna say flat 30. It's probably more like $20. Rapid Dash Costco box. Where is it? This one. $20. $22. $20, which is what it has been this whole time. Secret Lair 30th anniversary. $175. 180, 190 to Canada is probably the same. 175. Let's say 175. Oh, There were 215 a year ago when they released. Got something in my mouth here. And then the last two items I have here are Arceus UPCs, which did go up at some point. Pokemon Arceus UPC, which is actually a great UPC box, and I wish they would do more like it. But they've cheaped out. Arceus. Pokemon Arceus UPC. Why are these not showing up? Let's go check TCG Player. Our Ultra Premium Collection box selling 130. Fantastic. They were 100 a year ago. 130 and 130 again, and that's it. So we switch to the spreadsheet, and now we're going to summarize everything that we learned today. So this is the summary portion of the video, and I'm going to try and get this done in the next like 10-15 minutes or less, and then we're going to end this stream because I am tired of talking about this stuff. And big one, I am sorry that this took so long. Thank you for staying on the whole time. But let's get to work here. So what was my formula? So we're going to fix this formula here. So big one, if you want to follow along for your own spreadsheets, feel free. This was, okay. So we're going to change this. This is the same. So some product, no, what the hell happened there? So the difference is this column, M, right? So, no, this stays the same. Yeah, this stays the same until I add stuff to it, which I didn't today. So we're just going to copy paste some product, exactly the same. This is this column, so L. So we're going to take this, and we're going to change it to all the L's become M's here. And when I eventually add stuff, these numbers will change as well. So 94 is going to change later. Oop, it looks like it went down. Why is it suggesting D2, D4, M2? Yeah, I don't need any suggestions. This is the same. And we're going to change this. So this is my cost. Hasn't changed much because I haven't been adding things to my sheet. I'll do that privately outside of this video just so we can end this. Then this is where it's estimated at right now. So it's actually gone down quite a bit. And then this will be the percent difference here. So let's take a look at the previous one. And we're going to copy and paste. What did I change? This, the L's become M's, right? So becomes M, M, M. Yep. No, that can't be right. Oh, I see what I did. I fucked it up. Okay, so this one goes here, and then this becomes... So what I had done, I had swapped them. So we're going to do this. Yeah, that makes more sense. Math is hard. M, M, M. Okay. So that is what I'm at currently. That sucks. We're going to change these to a better color. These become green. Because I can. It should be black. Why is that purple? Why did the font change? Oh, and then the last. This is not really going to change. Well, I guess it will. So let's do this. So basically, my liquidation price is 60% of whatever the current estimation is. So we're going to change this to L. And we're going to change this to M. And they will both remain red because it is still under my cost here. I don't know how to put a formula in place for these, unfortunately. I want to say it's that one, yeah. And that's that. So, as you can see from my last survey, which was 6 months ago, the overall price of my collection or value of my collection has gone down 6-7% in the last 6 months. So that sucks. Again, this is all on paper. I won't know what the true values are until I get around to selling these things, which won't be for a long time because the idea here is to build a collection like Rudy, right? Hold the sealed product for a long time, wait for everything to even out, and then as time goes on, the amount of the sealed stuff goes down in the population because it's a product made for consumption. It's meant to be ripped open, and the natural course of time is stuff gets opened up and the number of sealed stuff goes away. And that's my stream, though. So thank you all for watching. Again, sorry this took so long. Went way past that 1.5 hour estimation. We're now at 2 hours. I didn't get around to actually adding stuff to the spreadsheet. Anything that is just sitting next to my desk here that I haven't processed and added to the ledger here. But yeah, have a good night. Let me know what you think in the comments. For anyone that watches this in the future that wasn't here for the live, big one, and Drizzle, thank you for watching, and we'll talk again real soon in 3 months. Bye-bye.